city, win the workers!
It's a gift card for you, Richard.
But what we used to as well is that there's a lot of there's like a tiny amount of as far as stronger, but they're not a lot of people put their faith in Starmer and you see how that's
When they get past the one join in, or we go down to the back and join in.
yeah. I think we're trying to find out the half of our culture.
And maybe stay around here.
We had a great pitch, but we are.
She picked up the wrong one.
How's it going?
That's human labour, and they're paid
3 times using the full PA.
honestly, I will put some more paid
those extra packs.
Yeah.
That's what I was always like. What's it? Emily's on.
Well, very good
I'll give you a missed call, so just in case.
It's about
Well, it's one what's in 500 police. Good luck, the educational. Tell it to someone who works for it.
I was getting a bit panicked then. I was like, they're never going to see it.
If you're not joining the women's block, then please go through the square. Wait to join the march.
Refugees are welcome here. Say it loud, say it clear. Refugees are welcome here. Say it loud, say it clear. Refugees are welcome here. 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 Our streets. 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 Our streets.
Demonstration. If you're not joining the block, but you just wait to join the march, you can just up the square and join at the back. Very crowded.
This way, folks. Join the demo this way. Join the demo this way.
Vanguardism is not the working class. The emancipation of the working class must come from the working class themselves, not a professional group of revolutionaries like the Leninos or the Trotskyites. Socialist Party Great Britain, the only socialist party on the ballot. Only different movement is running for the You want the world? Take the world. Socialist revolution for the working class, for the working class. Don't accept vanguardism. Don't accept reformism. Socialist standard! Back from the world, we'll end up like the what reform is about the world?
Actually, no recognition there. I'm just trying to find one.
I don't know where people are. I don't know where she's at.
She's here. I spoke to her this morning.
Okay, how you doing?
See you later.
No way. Yeah, no, it's in there.
I